What nobody tells you about progress is that it accelerates when option disappears. And once you fully understand it, you just need to choose one outcome and ignore everything else. You can achieve more in 1 week than most people do in 12 weeks. You can finally unlock the true person you are meant to be. Most people confuse movement with progress. They think they can do everything at once. They want to make the best progress and just moving forward every single day, doing the same things every single day, making the same mistakes every single day. But this business they are keep doing every single day, this whole things they are doing, this whole task they are achieving every single day hides just their lack of direction. They are trying to get somewhere, but they don't really know where they want to get. So you need to focus on the things you really want to do, because focus beats effort every single time. It doesn't matter how many effort you put into the one thing if the one thing is the wrong thing for you. If you have this one desire, this one goal, and you're trying to achieve it, but you completely forget to become the person that is capable of achieving this one goal, you will never get there. It doesn't matter how much effort you put in. You need to focus completely on the one thing you want to do and the one person, the personality you need to get to become this version of yourself, to achieve this goal. So stop working at the same time every day. Stop it. A daily shutdown rule for you. Stop it simply, because you will not get there if you don't have a clear purpose, a clear goal. And maybe it sounds confusing for you, but stop doing the same things every single day. Stop it. First, you need one clear goal, because one clear goal outperforms 10 vague ones. 10 goals that you want to achieve, but you're not really sure if you really want to have them, right? You don't feel it to 100%. If you do multitasking, if you do 10 things at the same time, it's just procrastination in disguise. You will never get anywhere if you don't focus completely on one thing. I'm currently focusing completely on you because I want you to succeed. If I would scroll on Instagram or check my emails at the same time, I would never get the clear message, the energy, the power out there that you need right now, you deserve right now. You don't need more time. You just need constraints, You need focus. You need clarity. And every time you choose yourself, every time you complete something, it is better than optimize something, then go for optimization. That's what I wanted to say. Consistency is built by simplicity. It doesn't matter how difficult you make a task, it's just more important that you do the task. Keep it as simple as possible. We are humans, we are not power machines like artificial intelligence. We are here to live, but we are also here to empower yourself, to empower ourselves to live, to feel, to be disappointed, to be full of joy. But we needed to have it as simple as possible. And once you create momentum, it will come from finishing things and not starting things. If you start 10 things once a day, you will never get anywhere. But if you finish this one thing a day, this one purpose, this one action a day, you can get where you want to get. One disciplined week. Hear me out on this. One disciplined week can change your entire year. If you just put your mind into it, if you just focus on this one thing you want to achieve and simplify it as much as possible. Write your biggest goal down, really a goal you feel in your heart you want to achieve in your life. Write it down, really a clear goal, not 10 waggy ones, a clear goal, write it down. This one direction, go all in, and Take your time in this 1 week, maybe simple tasks every single day to become better at this one thing and complete this one goal of yourself. And this is exactly how you achieve more in 1 week than most people do in 12 months. Don't overcomplicate it, simplify it. Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay real, stay wild, and stay freaking awake. I hope we see you in the next one.